Hello and welcome to HiNow. We're back at City Mill. We're standing with Iris here, and we are at the Paint Center because today we're talking about paint matching, right? So for people who aren't familiar, what is that whole process?
We have the ability to match almost any color that someone brings in to our stores with a special photometer, but we can match almost any color paint.
Iris, tell us a little bit about the paint that you specifically have here at City Mill.
We carry Benjamin Moore, we carry Ben, Regal, and Aura. Aura is the top line paint in the country. The reason Benjamin Moore is such a great paint, it has proprietary color tints. They make their own color tints to match things, so it works well with their paint. Also, they have higher volume of solids, so you're gonna get better paint coverage. And it has very low VOC, helps the environment and people, especially in the interior, with any kind of sensitivity.
Just by judging from this wall, a tremendous amount of variety.
Yeah, Benjamin Moore has over 3,500 colors they can match.
Walk us through the process. What happens if someone's interested in paint matching? What do they need to bring?
Oh, well, they need to bring us something that's fairly solid, paint on a stick, piece of paper, something that's easier for us to match. Once that happens, we take it and put it under our spectrophotometer, which shoots light in there, refracts out, and it comes up with a formula. Once the formula is in there, you as a customer will decide what sheen you want, and then depending on what your sheen you want, the computer kind of comes out with how much of every color to put in them. They will test it, they'll look at it first, take out a swatch, show it to you to make sure it matches, and then you're good to go. No longer than 15 minutes.
Is this service available at all the City Mill?
It is available at all our City Mill stores.
Brought to you by City Mill.